I ain't got no time to waste. Look so fine, I'm feeling great. Power on, pick up the pace, you don't stop. Hey, give me that bass. Head in the game and I'm on the ball. Get what I want and I want it all. Got that flex, now hear me raw. I can't stop. Now give me some more. Yeah, we run it. Let's get to work. Yeah, we run it. Yeah, you better buckle up, strap in, hold tight. I'm a hustler, taking what's mine. Get to work. Let's get to work. Stay on top, I like the view. Do what I like, I jump the queue. Got the taste like a sugar cube. I can't stop. You got me like take that side, 'cause I make the cut. Trip on point, yeah, I keep it up. Try it on if you're feeling tough. Question it, yeah, I'll be in touch. Feeling it just right, got the buzz. Clear it out, don't tell me to hush. Sitting back while they make a fuss. Breaking all the rules, want a rush. Breaking all the rules, want a rush. Let's get to work. Yeah, run it. Let's get to work. Yeah, run it. Yeah, you better buckle up, strap in, hold tight. I'm a hustler, I take it, what's mine? Get to work. Let's get to work.
Actually, first met yun na mo is nami sa dating app sa Facebook.
Nagkuhan mi sa dating apps dayon mga pila ka bulan nagkuhan mi nga mag-meet me.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time.
Run!
'Cause now I'm moving on.
Ikaw ang hatag.
Moving on.
Akong gibati gyud karon first gyud kay murag kulba nga excited nako nga pila ka tuig po namo 1 year kapin mi nga nag-ila murag karon na ginako nakuan nga nyani dai ang kuan sa kaminyoon di ay.
Letter sa Linda.
I'm moving far.
Actually, kanang gikulbaan ko kay lagid ko gi-expect nga moabot pa gyud ko sa time nga kaning maka-try ko og wedding.
Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside.
Amot kay matod pa niya, ako day galike. Pero wala ko na-remember. Then afterwards is murag nakuan na ko is okay siya. Then sa mga maka-chat na ko is nakita na ko nga very respectful. Then afterwards nagplan na mi nga mag first met gyud in person, no? First is dito gyud sa church.
Cathedral and then wala gyud may awkwardness sa mong duha.
Pang first met na mo is murag gyud siya dugay na may mag-ila. Murag walay awkwardness, wala gyud siya. Then that's time siguro nga murag nakita na ako nga why not nga i-try namo nga mag-start mi og relation.
To a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream.
Nag-pray ko na to og simala. Then ako ga-expect nga gihatag sa Ginoo nga kung unsa akong gipangita which is kanang grabe ka mapagmahal sa iyang family, especially siyang mother.
The strength in you.
Hi love. Love, karong adlaw nagatindog ko sa imong atubangan ug atubangan sa altar puno sa gugma ug pasalamat. Love, salamat kay wala nako gipugos ang panahon nga pangitaon ka. Pero ikaw mismo ang niabot sa akong kinabuhi.
With the trappings of love, I'll be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love suicide. I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest friend.
Karon nga adlaw, dili lang ko nagsulog og wedding gown para mahimong gwapa. Na ako diri para moingon sa tibuok kalibutan na ikaw ang akong gipili ug ikaw ang akong pilion matag adlaw sa akong kinabuhi.
I awake in my bed. You're my survival. You're my
Dodong, thank you for loving me sa akong mga maayo nga adlaw ug labi na sa akong mga adlaw nga medyo tuyo, suka, patis, akong batasan ug lisod sabton. Salamat kay bisan usahay, murag wifi signal akong mood. Kusog karon, mawala ugma, nagpabiling gihapon ka nga connected sa akuha.
on above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest friend of your life.
Dodong, ikaw ang akong answered prayer. Dili perfecto ang atong love story, pero tinuod kini. Ug para nako, mas nindot ang tinuod kaysa perfecto.
I know, giandam ka ni Lord para sa ako ug sa saktong panahon ug sa maayong rason para sa atong duha. You remind me that real love come from a person with pure intention, kind heart, ug tinuod nga pag-atiman.
And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.
I promise to support your dreams, celebrate your wins, and remind you of your worth whenever you forget it. Ug kung moabot ang panahon nga mangluya ka, ako mahimo imong kusog. Kung kapoy na kayo ang kalibutan, mahimo kong imong pahulayan. Ug kung mawala ka sa direksyon, akong kuptan imong kamot hangtod makakita ta og dalan pabalik.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest friend of your life.
I vow to laugh with you, cry with you, grow old with you, and make countless memories with you.
Ikaw akong pilion kada adlaw, love. No matters what brings, I will stand beside you, hold your hands and never let you go.
Things that you said, and I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the suicide, and I'll be better when I'm older.
Forever starts today. I love you, my husband. Your love, Melo.
love you more than words can express. And from this day on, I am yours forever.
The greatest benefit